Hello everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. This should be half, then take the lower part of the ponytail, divide it into two parts, tie both the parts in with two rubber bands, roll those rubber bands upwards and then secure the parts of the hair with the help of small pretty cute clutches. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Then take the lower ponytail, dive it upwards, make it through the gap of the upper part of the hair, roll the ponytail upwards just as shown in the video and carefully insert it inside the hair so that it is no longer visible. Then take the upper parts of the hair, tie it carefully and then insert a juda pin or a back pin to decorate it. Take the upper part of the hair and settle it as your own wish. Take your hair, tie it with a rubber band. Take the other parts of the hair, tie it again with a rubber band and then secure it with a clutcher just as shown in the video. Pull out few strands of the hair just like the other part of the hair to give it a fluffy look. Then take that part of the hair and thus repeat the same process. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Make a gap in between the hair and roll your ponytail through that gap. Take the ponytail, again tie it into two parts and then insert the lower part inside the upper part of the hair and carefully secure it tightly with a bobby pin or a rubber band or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then take the upper part of the hair, secure it properly with a rubber band or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, secure it properly with a huge clutcher. Take the leftover part of the hair and scroll it and twist it around the upper clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, insert a rubber band through inside, give it a thicker look and then secure it inwards with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, insert a zigzag rubber band and then carefully take few strands of the hair from all the sides of your head and carefully keep inserting it through the zigzag parts of your hair just like this. See, you should be consistent and very careful in doing so. Make sure that your entire hair is untangled in this process. Then take the leftover lower part and tie it with the help of a rubber band. You are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Then take the lower ponytail and insert it upwards with the help of a back pin or a clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then clutch it with a beautiful butterfly clutcher. Then take the lower end of your hair, tie it with a rubber band, roll it upwards and then again use the same clutcher as shown in the previous part of the video. Thanks for watching.